Namaste. Myself CA Pramod Jain, and I'm sharing with you a very important amendment which is in relation to the tax audit under Section 44AB. If we remember last year through the Finance Bill 2020, an amendment was made under Section 44AB, subsection A, where in the case of business, the tax audit was required where the turnover exceeded 1 crore, but if it was below 5 crores and the percentage of receipts in cash or payments in cash was less than 5% in aggregate, each of them, then my turnover limit for tax audit was not 1 crore but increased to 5 crores. In the Finance Bill 2021, this limit has been increased to 10 crores. However, there is a small amendment proposed in this Section 44AB where a proviso has been added, which might result into the limit coming back to 1 crore in many of the cases. What is the amendment? The proviso which has been added is that in case the receipts or the payments are made by checks on a bank or a bank draft, and the same are not through account pay check or draft, then the same shall be treated as cash. So all those of us are who are doing a proper tax audit understand 40A3 to 69 SST, wherein the assessee is not possessing the evidence where he can say that he has issued the check or received the check by account pay check or draft. So now what will happen? Let us understand that the assessing officer, in case the assessee's turnover is say 6 crores or 4 crores, and there is no audit because he says that his cash receipt and payments is less than 5% criteria. The assessing officer says, okay, you are saying that my cash portion is less than 5%, but you have made certain payments through bank by the account pay checks or draft account pay. The kindly evidence that they were account pay. We all know that assessee do not possess those evidences, so he won't be able to produce before the assessing officers. So now the call is on the assessee. There would be many cases. There would be many cases where the assessee is receiving and making the payments through NEFT, RTGS, ECS. So those would be surely covered. But when the payments or receipts are made through banking channel, through the checks or drafts, to have an evidence that they were account pay would be a Herculean task. So now the call is on the assessee. The call is on the assessee that if he is maintaining those evidences, where he can prove to the assessing officer that his receipts and payments are by account pay check or draft, in case they are received by check or draft, then his limit would be 10 crore. Otherwise, it will be 1 crore. So now he will have to have those evidences. Now, what is to be done? What is to be done practically, in my view? In case the assessee is not maintaining the evidence, it is again the call of the assessee, please, not of the auditors. Auditors need not worry. Assessee's call is there whether he is able to give those evidences to the A or not. If he is not able to have that evidences, then he may tell to his auditor to audit, because he doesn't possess that evidences. And in such cases, the auditors in their report in 3CB or 3CA should clearly mention that as the assessee is not possessing the evidence that the checks, that the payments received or payments received or payments made were by account pay check or account pay bank draft, is not evidenced at the hands of the assessee. Hence, this audit is covered under 44ABA. And then in this case, the limit would be 1 crores. Now, this has created certain issues. So in my view, the call would be of the assessee. So please take care, because this is applicable from financial year 2021 itself. Thank you. I hope this video is of use. Thank you very much. Thank you.